everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Windows display resolution and add custom resolutions alongside with custom hertz. Now there are two ways of doing this. I'm going to be showing you guys the simplest way for multiple people to understand and the easiest for people to follow along. So first off, what we're going to do is be on our Windows homepage. We're going to head to the Windows taskbar, press on the Windows button, then go to settings. From there, I'm going to head to the System tab, which is the first one. And we're going to stay on Display right here. As you can see, this is what it is. Now, if you do have multiple monitors, you want to choose the monitor you want the resolution to change on. From there, you can scroll down, and this is the display resolution we're currently on. So I can change it to any of these. So let's say I want 1600 by 900. I press on it, and now it should be different for you guys. So let me zoom in. Now this is what 1600 by 900 looks like. Let's do 1280 by 720. This is what it looks like. It's quite horrible, but I'm going to be showing you guys some different resolutions. So let's go back to 1920 here. So now these are all the resolutions you can do. If you want a custom resolution, what you're gonna have to do is download an app called the Intel HD Command Center. To download this, you want to head to the Microsoft Store and search for it, and you should be able to download it. So once we open up the Microsoft Store, we simply want to head over to the search bar. For some reason, it takes a long time. So once it's loaded up, you're simply going to write Intel, and once you do, it should be this one right here. I don't know which one I have actually. Yes, this one. So let's open that up. From there, what you're going to do is, let's do full screen. And now we can add custom resolutions. So you simply want to head to display, press on the plus button. It will say all of these. Press OK. Next up, choose the resolution you want. So let's do 1440 by 1080 as stretch res. Set the refresh rate to my monitors and press on OK. From there, you're going to press on add. So it's bad parameters, this one. So let's do another. Let's do 1280 by 1024, 120. Press OK. So it just got added. Now we head down here, and you should be able to find the res. 1280 by 1024. So once I have it enabled, this is what it looks like. So let me show you guys what it actually looks like. It is a stretch res, so this is what I see. It's quite nice. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.